July 8, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
Excuse me, I'm having trouble with the shower in my room. It's not working properly.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me send someone up to take a look at it right away.
Thank you. However, we're heading out for dinner in a little while, so now is not the best time.
I understand. We can schedule the repair for later this evening. Would that be all right?
Yes, that would work perfectly. Please have them come up in a few hours.
July 9, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
Hi, the shower in our room still isn't working.
I'm terribly sorry about that. Let me see if we can offer you an upgrade to another room.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you.
It's our pleasure. I'll arrange for the upgrade right away.
Thank you for your prompt assistance.
July 10, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
Look, honey, there's a note from the manager. It's an apology for the inconvenience with the shower.
That's nice of him.
And they've also sent us a fruit basket as a welcome gesture.
That's very thoughtful. Looks like things are looking up.
I'll say. Let's forget about the shower incident and enjoy our stay.
July 11, 2024, Daily English, EBS Easy English.
Did I tell you about my hotel experience?
No, what happened?
Well, the shower in our room wasn't working properly.
Oh, no. I would have been really frustrated. Did they fix it?
Unfortunately, no. But they did give us an upgrade to a nicer room. Apart from that hiccup, everything else went fine.
July 12, 2024, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
Well, remember I told you about the shower problem?
Oh, yeah, did they finally fix it?
No, that's when they offered us a better room and some treats as an apology.
That's not too bad at all. Oh, look at the time.
Right, time to get back to work already. I'll give you a juicer story later.